might be in a situation where for some reason you're getting these black screen issue inside of Facebook Reels. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons out there. The number one reason why something like this may end up happening for the most part is usually due to the fact that sometimes your particular device may just end up having some network issues. So what I'd recommend doing starting off with is going through and making your way over to your settings application and just double checking your Wi-Fi and your cellular connection. Basically, if you're ever having these types of issues, this can be the number one starting place I'd recommend kind of starting off at. So go through here, try checking your Wi-Fi, your cell connection, and make sure everything's good there. Now, another thing you can try doing here too is to make your way over to your App Store. So make your way over to your App Store and search up Facebook. So come right into here and search up your Facebook application. And what I'd recommend doing here is to go through and update your Facebook application. A lot of the times if you're running into any issues within Facebook, literally just going through and basically, just updating your Facebook app can also end up fixing the problem for you. And that is another major thing I'd recommend kind of doing as well. So go through there, update your Facebook app, and that's another thing you can do as well. If that's still not working, you can basically make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or isitdownrightnow.com, one of these types of websites. And what you're going to want to do here is you basically just want to go ahead and make sure that Facebook isn't actually down. So you can go right through here, find the Facebook application, and if it's down, it's probably going to be one of the top ones up there. So just go through here, see if Facebook is down, and if it is, you're basically just going to have to wait it out until they end up fixing the problem for you. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.